What's happening, fellow RC enthusiasts? This is Chris at the Patriot RC back with you. Got a short video. It's not about the Element, but I did make this stand last night. I got bored and I've been wanting to make one for a while. As you can see, it rotates. It is not on bearings or anything of the sort. And it's also an adjustable height. And it was kind of nifty. I made it for free. So let's get the RC out of the way. Let's get it over here. We got a little bit more room to work behind it here. So I'm going to slide this back. It's still in frame. All this is a two-part PVC fiberglass shower base drain. Available at Lowe's or Home Depot. There's that. You can pause it if you need to see it again. And it comes with a stainless steel cap, which I did not use on that. It can be removed. So it's just inverted like this. That's pretty much it. Now, had I used just this, it would not have worked very well, because by the time your wheels go to droop, as you can see when it was hanging there, you know, they're high enough. But here they wouldn't. So as a standoff, this is just a spare piece of plastic I had from an old aquarium, or not aquarium pond, but a pond filter. So like for your yard pond. But you can use a 2x4 or a couple 2x4s wide or something like that, just to raise it up about an inch or two off the ground, and then mount this to that. And then from there, this just spins and you can unthread it completely. And what I did to make mine quiet, as you notice, well, it makes no noise when I turn it. And what I did there, I took my marine grease and I gooped up the threads on this, and so when it turns there, it took all the rattle out. It makes no noise like that at all. The only thing you're hearing is my hand on the foam. And that was it. So this is a piece of paneling, which I had when I demolished a spare room in my basement. What was a storage closet. And I trimmed it to this size, hot glued this to the plywood, or the paneling, hot glued this to the plastic base, and then spray painted everything. What you see underneath here is, if I have a scrap of it, yep, here we go. This is corrugated plastic. I've got a 4x8 sheet of it I used to make aquarium lids and stuff, which I haven't made in a long time. But I've got a full 4x8 sheet of it, almost full. So I cut it down, and then this foam padding. All of us in the RC hobby have this stuff just laying around here somewhere eventually. Or you can just pretty much buy it about anywhere. And then I shoe glued that to the plastic here. Just because the hot glue probably would have melted the foam. But that's it. It fully supports all my RCs. It sits up high enough. If it doesn't sit up high enough, I merely unthread it more. As you can see, the gap down here getting bigger. I can now get my finger underneath of it. Or you can just rotate it all the way down. So yeah, been really happy with that. It's worked out great. And that's it. If you got any questions, let me know. All this stuff's available. The hot glue gun, if you don't own one, go to the Dollar General and pick one up for $5. It comes with like 5 or 6 glue sticks. You got it made. Some shoe glue, cheap as could be, or any kind of flexible adhesive for this. And a can of spray paint, or if you like the aesthetics of PVC mounted onto mixed matched other stuff, go for it. But yeah, this was completely free, and it's customized, and you built it yourself. So that's it. If you guys got any questions, let me know, and we'll see you soon.